A very good morning to all my dear students. Once again, welcome to the class. Today we are going to start our English grammar book. Grammar Zone. This is your English grammar book, and today we are going to start the very first chapter. Chapter number 1. Looking up a dictionary. Looking up a dictionary. So before starting the chapter, first we will know what is the meaning of dictionary, or we can say what is a dictionary. What is a dictionary? First I want to show you the dictionary. There are a lot of publishers and writers who just write the dictionary. One sample I am going to show you. This type of book are known as dictionary. And what is in this book? It is so thick. It is so thick. But what is in it? Yes. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a book of words. Dictionary is a book. And what is in that book? There are the words arranged in alphabetical order. Which are arranged in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means it will be arranged in a proper manner as a alphabet. As I just tell you the alphabets. It start from A and it just end with Z. So in the book, at first you will get the words starting from the letter A, then B, then C, then D, E, F, G, H and so on. And at last you will get the words of letter Z. And how will you get that words? You will get the words in arranged alphabetical order. Understand? With meanings. Means you will get their meaning also, that what is the meaning of that word in English and as well as in Hindi also. So it just help you a lot to understand the meaning of the word. I hope all you understand the meaning of dictionary. Yes, see on the board. Dictionary is a book. Dictionary is a book of words, of 1,000 of words, arranged in alphabetical order, in which the words are arranged in alphabetical order with meaning. Means there are the meaning also with the word. Okay? Understand? This is the definition or the meaning of the dictionary. Okay, what type of information that we get from the dictionary? The first I just told you, the meaning. The very first is meaning. Means it can give more information about. It is giving us the more information about the words. What type of information? The very first, it is giving us the meaning of that word. The second point, how to pronounce that word. Means if we don't know how to pronounce that particular word, dictionary help us to know how to pronounce the word. The third point, what part of speech they belong to, including the word, their meaning, their pronunciation. We get the part of speech also. Means the particular word is a noun or a pronoun or a verb or an adverb. Verb, adverb, noun, pronoun, these all are the parts of speech. So dictionary help us to know which part of speech that word belong to. वो जो word है वो किससे belong करता है, कौन से part of speech से belong करता है. That is also written in the bracket nearby the word. If the word is an noun, there will be written in a bracket small letter N-O-U-N, noun. Means this word is a noun. This word is a verb that is also mentioned there on the dictionary. After then, different ways to use them. There is explained how many ways and where you can use that particular word. Means different ways where you can use that word. That is also explained in the same dictionary. So, for example, I want to show you some words. So, you and me both will together try to find the words from the dictionary. First, all of you understand this? Words arranged in alphabetical order with meaning. It gives us information about words, their pronunciation, parts of speech and different ways to use them. So, this is one example of dictionary, and don't be just think it is so thick. No, never scare of the books. बुक्स की साइज या लेंथ को देख के कभी स्केयर नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज द बुक्स आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, एंड ट्राई टू मेक द बुक्स एंड द वर्ड्स योर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज दीज आर योर फ्रेंड्स which will help you whole over your life. More words you know, more easy to read, more easy to write, and more easy to speak also. So, try to make not more, as I am sending you RD words. It is enough if you are just learning 3 or 5 words daily of dictionary. That is enough for you. Your vocabulary will increase day by day if you are just learning 3 or 5 words also. So, let's start. In your book, there is a question. First, I want to show the question in your book. You can see here, it is written in your book that this is a word they have given us, gloves, eye base. You have to find the meaning of this word in the dictionary. So first we will see the spelling. Gloves. Gloves. Now we have to find what is gloves and where do we use, which part of body we use the gloves. For that, at first we will open the dictionary, and as I said you, it is arranged in alphabetical order. So first letter is here A, but we have to find G. So we have to just turn like this. We are on which letter? If you can see here, this is C, but we have to reach till G. So I will just check it more. It is D, but we have to find G. D, then E, then F. This is F, letter F. After then G will come. So let's find G. Let's find G. And in the G we have to find GL. Finally we are on the word GL. But we need GLO. We need the series GLO. And here is the series. You can see, if you can please try to see it. This is the GLOSS gloss. GLOSSARY glossary. GLOVE. Yes. We have found the word GLOVE. And what's the meaning is there? You can see here what is written here. If we just see it properly, just see here beta on the screen. Glove, it is written in Hindi also, glove. Then it is written N. N means this is a noun. This is which part of speech? N. N means noun, and there is written the meaning also. Covering of leather, wool, etc. Means this is a covering. And what it is covering? For hand. To cover the hand, made of leather or wool. In Hindi we say dastana. Understand? Means, I hope you understand that gloves, this word is a noun. Okay? And there is the pronunciation also. There is written glove. Glove. Means you learn the pronunciation also. You learn the part of speech also, that is the noun. And different ways to use. Where we use the glove? We use on our hand. We use on our hand. That we learn this also. And we learn the meaning also in Hindi. Dastana means this dictionary help us a lot to know the meaning, their pronunciation and their different uses. I hope all of you just try with me and try at your home also to find the different words. As that is written in your book, I base these 4-5 words that I will just give you the answer of these, and you just also try to find at your home in your dictionary. Some more words are written here that we have to write in the alphabetical order. That I will just give you the digit. For example, just see on the board. One example I want to just give you. The example is, if I just write example here. I am writing the example here. See on the board please. If I am giving you the word, see here, I am giving you the word. The first word I am giving you apple. Then I am giving you egg. Then I have given you the word A-N-N. Okay. Then I have given you the word octopus. Then orange. And if I am saying you to arrange them in the alphabetical order. So first you will see the first letter. Alphabetical means A will come first. Then E will come, then O will come. But in A also there are two words. P, N. So just tell me what comes before N or P. पहले क्या आता है? P आता है alphabetical order में या N आता है? M, N, O, P means N पहले आता है. So in the dictionary you will find N. The meaning of N. After then you will find the meaning of apple. Then the meaning of egg. Octopus, O are same. Octo, C and here R. Which is first? C. C पहले आता है. So then you will find the meaning of octopus, and at last you will arrange here the orange. This is the alphabetical order of the words. The question is in your book that you have to do on your own. Try to do it. This was all for today. The same work you have to do in the notebook and try to do the work from your dictionary. Thank you students and goodbye.